What if you are a freelance or contract worker and you get hurt on the job? Is the person or company that hired you responsible for workers' compensation? And how does workers' compensation work in such a situation?
Well, that depends on what industry you're in. If you take the construction industry, the legislature's made it real clear. They want everyone on a construction site covered for workers' compensation purposes. Many times, folks have tried to obtain an exemption. It may be valid, it may be invalid. They may provide a certificate of insurance that turns out to be invalid because they didn't pay the premium. Eventually, it comes back to the general contractor in those kind of circumstances, or the next subcontractor in line between the employee and the general contractor. In other cases, if there aren't the sufficient statutory requirements haven't been met to provide coverage, they're not going to be covered.
In a circumstance where somebody would meet the definition of a true freelance worker or true independent contractor, they would not be eligible for workers' compensation benefits paid by the company that hired them to do the work. Independent contractors, if they meet the definition, are excluded from workers' compensation coverage by operation of law. So if I hired you and you did cabinetry work and you came into my house and you were hurt, you wouldn't be able to get workers' compensation for that injury.